It's chat. Everybody did this?
Yes. Yes.
Chat. Everybody did this?
Everybody has done this, bro. Everybody has done this. Yes.
Alright.
You did this before?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta do it. You gotta do it today.
I'm gonna try to be my high score.
What's your high score?
Level 10 is like crazy. Like level 10 is like insane. And then I think mine's like 8.
Somebody did level 10
I'll
before?
do it. I think like this. I'm gonna try it.
Somebody did level 10 before?
I did it. I just heard.
You did it?
I just did it.
Wait, what's the starting level?
Never mind.
No.
So this one's a little bit
do it
different.
again.
So like the 10 he did is basically a 20 here. So it goes from 1 to 25.
I start low, right?
You start at 1. Everybody starts at 1. So we could either do it where both do it together and see who could keep going the longest.
Oh shit.
Or we can do it where y'all go one by one.
When you blow, don't blow that.
It should be people who ain't did it. I don't want to do it with him. He done it before. Who ain't did it?
It's hard though.
Well, good one of your niggas. No, I think you should go by yourself first. Yeah, come on. Hold on, don't do predicts. Do predicts when we about to play 2K.
Where you got put it?
Oh, yeah, well, Ray to do it? Oh, I don't think Ray. I don't think you've done it. I don't think Ray've done this shit.
Yeah, I did done it.
You have never done it. GG's.
Yeah. You did it upstairs. Yes. Almost got me up my slides.
Bro, can I sit back down or not?
Yeah, you can sit back down.
This shit easy, bro.
Damn, bro.
Oh, y'all saying, damn.
I see.
We're gonna go nice and slow,
You
alright?
gotta press it down so it stays stick on it.
So whenever you're ready, we can start. Right?
It's on me.
Bet. So we're gonna start at 1.
I'm saying.
We're gonna go up 1. We have 1. You good? You
I
good?
don't care, bro.
You don't feel nothing? Alright, but we're gonna go to 2. You might not feel nothing until we get to like 6, 7.
I don't feel nothing.
3. How you feeling?
Oh,
That shit light.
You good?
I don't feel nothing.
Yeah, that's easy.
4.
What do you feel?
Still ain't nothing. It's laughing. It's making them laugh, though.
You got 4 right there.
It's just starting to tingle.
Let me know when you're ready to go to 5.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, 5. How you feeling? Good? We're gonna go 6.
Wait, no, don't go to 6 yet. Hold on.
Wait!
I'm gonna go to 6.
6.
It's supposed to be like, what is that, on a period or something?
Not
It's
contraction.
like cramps.
When
Chad's cramps, right?
Yeah, it's like cramps.
Why I keep saying volume?
Water bottle?
Now we're gonna do the water.
But we doing that after, Chad. Hold on.
What are we on right now?
We on 6.
Alright. 7?
7.
I'm on 7 right now?
Yeah.
Wait, she don't hurt?
It's just tingling. It's supposed to like.
We're not human, bro.
Press it. Like,
There's no way he on 7. He not panicking,
hold
bro.
it down. That's when I felt it the most. When you press it.
Nah, he gonna
They
get
said the volume is low.
I feel it.
He's
I
gonna
feel
get
it.
there.
It's just tingling. I'm on 8 now.
You on 7. We gonna keep you.
I don't feel nothing right here.
You good?
It's just tingling.
Alright.
Unless it's. Wait, you pressed it a couple times. What was
I
that? What you
put it
doing?
to 13 because you.
I know you
feel
can't.
Not me on my slides.
Don't do that.
There you go. Yeah, I told you. Press on that motherfucker.
No way that's what girls go through. That's not. That's not.
Never watch it.
Yo!
That's not what
Yo, that shit no joke for me.
You went to 13?
He said, I don't feel nothing.
How much is that?
That was 13.
out of nowhere.
No, it's 13?
Bro, that's scary.
What it feel
Alright, you wanna go?
I can't even explain it.
Come
Bro.
on, you
It's
good,
like,
gang?
Damn, my stomach.
Yeah.
I don't even want to sit there no more.
Yeah, sit here, Ray.
I was.
Oh, let me see that hookah too.
Yeah, you can tap this.
You gonna do it?
You do it, right?
Yeah.
No, I ain't doing that shit. Yeah. You put it on your own.
It's like this, right?
Yeah. No, that's not. My bad, brother.
Yeah, Ray.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Alright, right now we're at 1.
What level you went up to?
13. Ready to go to 2?
13. Yeah.
Alright, we're going to 2.
I feel nothing.
Alright, we're at 3. Ready?
Yeah.
4.
Anything else?
Good, anything?
I'm good. I'm good right now.
5.
I still feel that shit on my stomach.
I'm good right now.
6.
I'm just good right now.
7.
What you feel?
Like,
Do it that way. Shoot it that way.
7, you good?
yeah.
8.
Nothing.
What the fuck?
I can't tell.
I put it back down to 9.
I 10.
10.
That's easy.
This thing goes up to 25. 11, you ready?
Chair 4, he gonna lean back.
Go up.
What you want?
He on 11.
10. He on 10 right now.
Nah,
Ooh.
he on 11.
11.
He about to beat you, Yachty.
Really on 13.
You ready? 12.
13.
He could do it, I could do it.
Nah, but he skipped me to 15. 15.
Is he
Like
pressing on
7.
me? Is he pressing on me?
He doing a
We
slow
at?
climb.
What number you at right now?
He on
jumped me.
13 or some shit, bro.
Damn.
15.
Press on him. Press on him.
He said 15. So that means go to 18. Go to 18.
What? Yo,
Oh, so my bad. My bad.
Press them on your stomach, though.
You got press on
No, leave
He
it.
might be cheating.
No,
Because he's straight at 13.
hold on.
He don't feel nothing.
That's Sersky. It's what we fucking do, man.
Now, but you understand, he's slow climbing, bro. He jumped to me to fucking 13.
Yeah, nigga said
And both showed his stomach when he put it
No,
down.
I'm done. I'm done.
Now you did good though, gang.
Yeah.
Something about that
Fucking
wasn't.
shit.
Yo, that's light. That's light.
Now, let me see if I can do this though. Here.
Alright, this is the hard one.
This the OD hard shit.
Let me go first.
This is the hard one.
Ah! Come on,
Come
bro.
on, bro. It's still on, bro.
How much you go?
Yeah, you good.
You got 2 of them?
Who's
You got
drinking
2 of them?
water with him?
Now I'm scared to put this shit
Let me
on,
try.
bro.
You good, you good, you
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I'm not fucking that shit.
That's the arm?
Yeah, it's the hardest part right
Oh,
here.
this piece is.
Wait, that shit actually feel like electrocution.
Not old.
Nah, not 4 hours. That shit was there for like 2. Yeah.
It's still good.
Chill, not that far. Not that far.
Nah, this shit not even sticky,
I
gang.
feel it already.
Yeah, just put it on, you
Right.
know. It should stick. I don't know.
What? Yeah, that shit like we heard, bro. Yeah. Hold this real quick.
Oh, you can do both?
Yo, we some real niggas. We came from the Bronx.
Are you
We
ready?
can do this
Yeah,
shit.
try to drink a water with it, gang.
Yeah, you gotta open up a water.
Here you go, gang.
What's the water? That's it. Even if you
Wait, back up real
You
quick.
want to try to drink it? You want to try to drink it? Not as hurting.
Alright, so I'm gonna go up 1 each. Alright? So we're going 1,
I see what they did.
1, Kai.
Yeah.
Good?
It's not gonna get all the way over there, y'all. We did them shit.
Alright, we're going up 2, Punga.
Yo, when you put this shit on like your dick or some shit, what does it do?
When we get to 5, you gotta take your first sip. That's when we gotta go finish it.
Alright.
Punga 3, Kai 3. Punga 4, Kai 4. Punga 5,
Let's go, PG. Let's go, Kai.
Punga 6, Kai 6.
It should not stick to my arm, gang.
Oh.
Hold on, this shit is turned off.
It should not stick to my arm, gang.
Why is she not sticking?
Can I move this?
No, I gotta stay.
Wait, when I say stop, you gonna stop, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah.
Alright, y'all both have 5. Alright. Punga 6, Kai 6.
It must be a different kind of weakness.
Oh!
You took a sip, Punga?
Wait.
Sip.
Sip.
Let's go, Punga.
Alright, Punga 7,
Ah.
Kai 7.
Oh.
Sip.
Hurt that bad?
Go. What we on?
Y'all 9, y'all 9.
This is 9?
After the
My shit about to fall off.
Punga 10, Kai 10.
I don't feel nothing.
I felt that.
Oh!
Oh, it's like when it goes to his side, it stops my side.
Punga 11. Well, Punga drink, nigga.
I am drinking.
Punga 11, 11.
All these questions.
Drink.
I don't feel nothing.
I feel that shit.
Put it, like, wrap it that way. Yeah. Oh. Nah. Switch it from my side. Alright, go.
It's on the same side.
Switch it from my side.
It's on 12 for both of y'all.
What are we on, 12?
12.
Nigga, this shit is...
Stop saying that, bro. Cause it's not.
13.
Bro, who bought...
13.
You just hit me? But who bought this? But this cheap ass fucking. What the fuck? Go.
14. 14. Yeah, I'm 14 each.
Bro, just max that bitch out. Oh.
Max it out?
Yeah.
What's the max? 25?
I'm not so this shit is ass. This shit is ass compared to everything
That
that
shit
we.
literally fucking fell off.
Compared to what we used before, this shit is ass. Compared to what we used before, this shit's ass. Literally, chat.
Yo, that
This is so ass, bro.
You didn't feel nothing?
I can't do that. That really turned my arm
It's
by
ass, bro.
itself.
I'm
That
so
ass. Ah! Stop doing that, nigga. Take that shit off me, bro. All right, let's get to 2K, bro. Fuck all that shit, bro. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. Go get you some good shit. Shit. Fucking ass, chat. Get him the fuck out of here, chat. Yo, L simulator, chat. L fucking simulator.
That was awkward.
No, cause that shit used to work, bro. That shit worked. That day I was gonna fucking cheap ass. All right, 2K. Where's 2K at? All right. Okay, so we doing best of 5.
Yeah, that's a 5.
So who's going first? Ray and Camo.
Yup.
I bet. So Ray and Camo, y'all gonna be in the middle.
We
Playing
don't
this.
really need that, bro. We just best of
Yeah. No cap. When did he get 10,000?
Yeah. That's what we doing?
Yeah.
About right. I'm about to down with the game.
Bet. Good luck, chat.
No boy lock in.
Yo, 10,000, bro. 10,000, y'all. Let's go ahead and secure that before Jamaica. You heard?
Right.
Yeah. Now let's do it.
I bet. Let me start this up.
I have
Money on the line, boy.
I have zero fear.
Who wants the? I need the max wing controller
Check all
or
the settings.
Check
all y'all shit. You might be having sliders.
I got this shit in Nigeria.
It might be fucking.
Oh, the Spider-Man controller. Pass me that.
Max hack controllers, but
Hack controllers. No, it's not, bruh. Which one you want, Ray?
I need max wing.
I need max wing. I need max wing. Let me see this real quick. Alright, predicts. What y'all got? Should we do predicts for the whole team or predicts for individual people, chat? Right here. That's one. I think. And then.
This one. That little funny shit.
Don't come into it.
No computer defense.
I ain't doing that. Hell no. What's computer defense?
I forgot we on PlayStation.
Never computer defense.
I'm just saying Ray. I know Ray do it.
Turn it on.
Never, no.
Let me see.
Defense at all.
I'm spotting it out. First possession.
How's that possible?
Oh shit.
If you don't play defense, then
You just let the nigga
Better
guard
man
the
up.
computer guard.
guard up.
You just keep switching. Yeah, guard up every play.
Mitch getting sleepy.
40.
Mitch doesn't sleep, bro.
I don't sleep, bro. I'm just.
Whoever comes
shit
first.
easy.
Ray was already sleep. He well woken.
You don't get it.
We got him on
Mitch
video.
getting
4K.
sleepy. Chat after 2K. Let's try to run through 2K so we know. Air matches just come out. And it's up.
We don't sleep, bro.
Y'all don't sleep.
Get it, bro.
Oh,
I
stop.
haven't slept in 3 days.
I ain't slept in 2.
And you haven't slept in 2 days.
Nah, man.
But that's not good for the body, bro.
That's real life, bro.
Why
That's not good for the body.
Cause I had a flight and I had to shoot this morning.
Chat, that's not good for the body, chat.
Not good for the body. Gotta sleep.
Oh my god, don't tell me I deleted 2K. Nah, I know I didn't delete 2K.
Why would you delete it?
To download Red Dead.
That
No
shit
cap.
did we need to delete
How
everything.
you played Red Dead 2?
Yeah, of course.
You beat it?
A long time ago, yeah.
Yeah, bro. Really good game, huh?
And
I'm
Red
late.
Dead 1. I beat both of them.
I'm late to the party, chat.
Online is good too.
Online is good, but online is not as good when it first came out. I wish it was a good. Chat, is there any good Red Dead RP servers?
You ever beat Red Dead 1?
Yeah, like a long time ago, but I did missions, but I don't remember that shit.
I do.
I don't remember shit from Red Dead. Was it good?
Games. They both
1 through
great
10.
games. They both 10. I like them better than GTA.
Really? I think you don't think GTA is the best game ever? Like in an all around,
I
online.
think it's definitely one of them.
Tell me about it. Hold on.
I think Red Dead was sick how they just went into depth with the killing animals and how you had to kill them.
Yo, shit out of time. Look. You at the crowd.
They're tired of shit. I'm telling you, when Drewski and them was here, bro, those are the hardest people for us to wait on, bro. In terms of like sleeping. Them niggas do not sleep, bro.
Who playing first?
Huh?
Ray and Camo.
Ray and Camo up first. Let me see. What the fuck?
Just accept it. Yeah, that should be doing that sometime. Just skip through it.
The fuck was that, chat? This loud ass shit. I gotta come up first. Y'all come up. I'm supposed to sit you. It's me, right? You can sit right here, bro. Alright. Hey, plug yours in so we connect.
Lock in, Ray. Let's go.
Lock in, Ray!
Let's get it.
Big email us.
Set the settings. Three minutes.
I was with Totosh. Really? Yeah, we did a segment on him. He was like telling me how he used to sell socks.
So funny. Bonjour, it's Totosh. You're watching NBA 2K.
Chat, no static, right? How is there static? How do y'all hear static? Chat, it's literally coming from the.
We can play injury free.
Wait, who are we playing? So what about that? How's that?
Are we doing injury free or not?
Injury free. No matter.
Maybe you should turn the game music off.
It says good. It says good. Yeah, that boy, oh right. I already know. I already know, bro. That nigga was a streamer type shit. Mods, how is it? Appreciate everybody who's up right now watching too. Y'all niggas is crazy, bro. Wait, hold on.
Ain't it spring break?
No, it's a school night. Niggas at school tomorrow.
Spring break is good.
Really? Make them bigger? Okay, bet.
Me?
Who you got, Ray?
What's the minutes? What's the minutes?
We good.
Ray, lock in. Ray, lock the fuck in.
Average Ray Celtics. He got.
Yo,
really know how to
pin
use-
teams. Ray, what's your team?
Celtic.
Celtics and Mavericks?
Yeah, I got mad.
Alright, so Ray Celtics, Camo Mavericks. Yes, chat, and I'm yeah.
See these niggas.
Chat, when this stream, and I'm
These
still
niggas
gonna
really
stream
play
that.
2K.
I'm still gonna stream at night. Yeah, niggas been technically getting 2 streams today. And then it's such a bomba clap maker.
No doubt. I mean, as a player, you put so much time and effort into preparing for the season. Sometimes.
The what? On the camera?
Nah, it's just put the zoom up. I mean, put the height up to 10. There you go. Nah, that's good like that. 5'10".
Come on, Ray, lock in.
I bet.
The emotions can get the best of you, and it can take a little time to settle into it.
Give me that shit. Give me that shit.
Star backcourt of Doncic and Irving are out there. Daniel Gafford is out there with Washington, and it's Hardaway in at the small forward. Now, here is Irving, following the miss by Porzingis. Holiday against Doncic. Pass to Gafford, and takes it away by Brown. Now, Tatum, 25 points last game. Rebounded by Gafford.
Well, this is the kind of shot we've come to expect him to make. He's got
Shout out audio.
Work out. That's a mismatch. Work out. That's a mismatch. Pull up. Game time. Come on. Pick him up. Three seconds. 3 seconds. Bro, that nigga is still in the paint.
That's a dunk.
Hell no.
Go up. Go up.
Is it better, chat? I better. I haven't seen more.
Too low. Nah, that shit low to us.
We can't even.
Sometimes a little bit higher.
What the fuck?
That should be good,
Oh,
chat.
sweet. All the way. All the way. Okay, well.
This one, Kristaps Porzingis. He is a tough cover.
Yeah, listen, Kev, this guy has that rare
Is that good?
size and skill, increasingly more efficient, and when he's healthy, he's really been a problem.
And so it's the Mavericks getting on the board.
Grip.
Why I keep pausing?
Yeah, what's up?
He finna turn the shot meter on.
Somebody can go to sleep during this game.
It's
Right.
too quiet.
One second, my bad.
I keep pushing it.
Boston again missing. Outside Irving. 1:11 left here in the opening quarter. From outside. Last game for the Celtics, they pick up the win against the Hornets. In the corner, Tatum with it. Dishes to White. Back to Tatum. The kick out to Brown.
Oh.
We know how Ray played. We can see that.
And the clock out of bounds. Down. Just a quick look now, and how the point totals have looked over the last several months.
Which guy you playing out here?
Oh, yeah.
You playing this? You playing?
I'm finna get home.
Who you play, Boo?
Turn on the circus. Turn it up. What? I'm tryna bring me a back. Yeah, I'm tryna bring me spine. I'm tryna pull me an 8. Yeah, I'm tryna pull me it down. I'm tryna pull that quick. Yeah, I never bought my arms. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass.
Look at it. Oh, you don't want it. You don't want it. You don't want it. That's it right there. You don't want it.
She pussy can't do nothing to me. She pussy is bitch wanna do me. I ain't sure she came from the lane. Like fuck it, I said they gon' try me. It's something I did it, they owe me. Fucking them up, skirt on the ass.
Chat, two simple is good or bad for sleeping in the camp quarter?
No, I said 2 quarters might be a little quicker.
Well, I think they combined great intelligence and great effort, and you could see the results.
The wing carrying it's White and Brown. Tatum out there with Porzingis, and it's Holiday in at the point. That's the 5 to begin the second quarter for the Celtics.
Yes.
Now from our side on the corner, David Aldridge. David, it's all yours. Take it away.
It's wireless. Chat, that's good, right? The music over here is better?
He don't want it.
Nah,
And he got the meter on too. That make it even worse. Okay. Oh, you got that back though.
Yeah, I tried to pass it.
You got him still. Mismatch.
It's the ability to have that elite handle before the creativity.
Pull up. You got that. All the way. Ooh!
Chill, bro. Chill, bro.
Oh, that's us.
Oh my God.
We gone. We gone. Oh, you trying to be like that. Nah, that ain't
Damn.
that ain't it. I knew that one.
This shit, the mean it. Damn, it feels different on this one though. I'm gonna get it though.
You be doing that shit.
No, I know, man. It don't feel the same.
This type of shot, he be hitting this type of shot.
Right, the skill, the awareness, the visibility is all there, and that's what makes this guy so hard to check.
I don't want to talk about money. I don't think that I should talk about money.
What the fuck?
I don't talk about money.
Tell me out, Ray. Come on. Yes. 10 on the line, bro. My money. 10 my money on the line, bro.
You like this. Chess. We can make a mess. I got some things I must confess. I wanna see you get undressed. For sure. I'm about to send you my address.
Take that in, take it in.
Nope.
Good shot. I like that. I like that.
All the way, all the way, all the way.
No, sir.
That's like me.
That shit figured out. Yeah, we'll live with that all day. Mismatch.
Lock it up.
Off ball. Come on. You know what you're doing. Every time he switches, pass the ball to him.
Slip with a bulletproof vest.
Oh, you had the paint. You grab that. Hold on. Good move. It's a good shot.
Hell no. Come on. Come on.
You gotta start taking it though.
Hey! We needed that. Water up. We needed that. 4 seconds. Come on. Lock this shit down. Lock this shit down. Still.
Shoot it.
Go.
Run.
Go.
Pass it.
Hey!
Boom.
Oh.
You can watch it.
Damn.
I ain't chicken to me if you fuck with I ain't mad at you. Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the bathroom. Never in the trenches, so she sucking dick and then she turn to. Give my pen up in the business different and she never do. Yeah, my body different when I'm over there, I'm in the room.
Come back, Teaser. Don't get nervous, alright?
For sure. I'm from the same, but I'm running out of the room. For sure.
Who's the underdog in the predict chat? Who's the underdog?
For sure.
Oh my gosh!
For sure.
Okay, with the underdog in the predict.
For sure. Not like that. No. The D.
YouTube. That's me.
He said.
Thought I was an NBA when I thought a nigga was from Baton Rouge. Make a sound of NBA, fucking niggas say you know for the rules. Put that pussy in my face, put that pussy game, that's on my head. In Miami, I'm a new, we felt something new, I just felt new.
Ray, what the fuck?
No, sir. Oh yeah, wake him up, Camo. Hey, come on, bro.
Down. Shoot.
We'll live with that. We'll live with that. That's all. Oh, that's late.
I ain't back here, right? But this one.
No, I said like when you know what they're gonna go win.
Oh. do the challenge. Oh,
I ain't touch him.
He said foul. He said challenge.
Yeah, I know.
You just need 3, bro.
That shit be working, though. I do.
She was talking practice, had to cut her home, got a banner boo. I ain't chicken to the if you from my brother, I ain't mad at you. Fucking in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the bathroom. Man, I ain't in the trenches, so she sucking different and she tatted too.
Ray, all you need is 3, bro.
Nah, you still got a whole quarter. You need more than 3.
Let's go. 2. Let's go. 1. You really game, right? You really game and shoot, man. Drop them off.
What the fuck?
Let's go!
D, sucking at D.
Okay, cool. What's your hairstyle? What's your number? What's your best style? Nigga, TikTok. She said TikTok. I said TikTok. She said no. She don't do the hip hop. So you classy. And a bag. She said yeah. And I'm nasty. She said nasty. What is that? She said you can find out if you're happy. I said
You challenged it? W challenge, W challenge. W challenge, W challenge. That was all ball.
The fuck wrong with him?
That's all ball, right?
Yeah, all ball.
Give me that shit.
Nah, all
Hell
him.
nah.
Nah, that's all him.
Oh, fuck.
We good. We good. You can miss it.
I'm not gonna make it.
Yeah, you can.
I don't know if it's a beauty. I don't know if it's a booty. I
got all the cash.
I don't touch on my duty. Pussy crash on my child. The way I eat it.
I got so many cash on me.
That's how body should do me. Bring the baddest is rocking the Tootie. Bring the baddest is rocking the Nudie. Your mouth is wet, so stop being Trudy. Bring the baddest is rocking the Tootie. Your pussy the wettest and none of it knew it. From the Alex, I'm rocking your coolie. That nigga that left for that's probably a foodie. Give me that like a cock and shit. You little mommy, you better not start to the Stewie. I'm a nigga, I'm a little baby. Ain't get you a baby, I'm not on the Stewie.
Fuck!
Hey!
Just.
Oh, hey, cheated.
Go on this right here, this quarter right. All the way.
Thanks for touching. Fuck all the talking, let's get to the fucking. I hate it, bro. But I ain't for the kitty, I own it. I ain't competing. I know it's nothing. I'm just busy, I ain't not with nothing. I fuck bitches, I ain't not with comfort. You could be around me and you know it. Since I know I can know loaded, I cannot fuck with that.
Come on, Ray.
I got that pussy with Odie. I hate it once and I pass it to Odie.
That's all. Oh my god, he's not shit. Ray.
That's not his body.
Oh.
That's not his body. Oh my gosh, come in. Oh my gosh, come in. Oh my gosh, come in.
Push.
What is push?
That's cat. You play a push every time that shit go in. Rebound. Hey. Come on, Ray. Not like that. Not like that. Hell no.
What the fuck is this? This contract here, bro.
Hey, separate that shit, man. Separate. Lock in, lock in. Come on, shoot that. He don't want it. He don't want it. He don't want it. Hell nah. Sorry. D, stop. Score. What? Hell no.
141 left to play in the final quarter.
Still! What?
My bad, y'all.
Get a stop right here. Get a stop.
Do that.
Oh, that's not.
Yo, Ronnie. Oh my fucking
Come on.
God. Nigga! And fucking one!
Let's go.
What?
Yeah. My bad.
There you go.
Hands up!
That's 3 points.
Hands up!
Nigga! Let it fall. Get it down. Stop right here. Get a stop right here. Good, Ray. All you gotta do is stop it.
Different. It's different, bro.
It's PlayStation, nigga.
Nah, I don't know what it is. The timing different.
Oh, no.
Shit. Set him home. Pack him up right here. Pack him up. Work out. He going off ball. Look at it. He going off ball. No foul him. Let him in. Take your time. All that off ball shit. What? He's free right here. I ain't gonna lie. He's free. It's over. That boy home. Hey, send that boy home, man. Pack him up.
Yeah, GG.
Pack him up. Go get him. Watch him go down. It's over with. Two more.
My D's.
I know you that dude fight right here. Out here. He wasn't sleeping. He was gone.
Yeah, bro.
You got 7 seconds left. Good game.
Who next?
Concrete boy.
I'll go next. Concrete one.
Nah, we're gonna go last now.
We go next. Come on.
Get right.
Time is different.
Whatever you take, I'm gonna check a little later.
Okay, hold on. Hey!
Do not
Wait,
mess
think.
with
Hold on, think. Wait, think.
How did I put?
Pause. Wait, who's next?
Yeah.
I bet. Just think wisely, bro. They just need 3.
Because if he win that one,
so you crashing.
Let me pull you talking about, bro.
Booger, that's nice. I bet. I haven't played with you since. I haven't played with you since fucking February. Who?
but you got my car key.
Think.
Alright, so that.
I moved it
We got home. We got home.
I had the crib.
We just won.
Yes. Huh? Yo, DC.
Yo.
Meet him at the entrance. Meet him at the entrance.
What happened?
Yo. Yeah.
Our teams, who you picking?
It's me. Yes.
Yo, that's Grizzlies. Trap got the Suns.
You about to get tense.
Chill. Nah, niggas lost their voice.
You know who you about to spam, John Morant.
I believe it. He doing all this starter changes.
Nah, Ray, you let us down, bro.
I'm back in.
What'd he say? What'd he say?
My bad.
Yo, with the chat with the 2K.
My bad gang.
Chat with, don't worry. Chat with the 2K20 out. We gonna bet out the Amex, bro.
My bad gang.
My bad, gang.
Honestly, good. We got this. Look at that motherfucker. See, look, that shit on set point.
I knew it was.
Freak
I
ass
knew
shit.
it was, because he would have been making all his shots.
Y'all cheating, bro.
What?
Y'all cheating.
Huh?
Set point is weird, bro.
Yeah, I've never used set point.
Y'all could keep
Tell
y'all.
whatever it was,
Y'all can
bro,
put it on
y'all
y'all
shots
point.
was so late.
Yeah, we play on push.
Sports. Welcome to our Wednesday night coverage of the NBA. Ryan Anderson here.
Yo, how is there still so many people? So many I play now, bro.
But game one of the regular season is always a little extra special, Grant. Yeah, no question about it. This
Stay
is
to
a
it.
game everyone looks forward to start the season off on the right foot.
How's the meter on?
I'm
gonna change that back to
get a win on opening night, but it's definitely one everyone.
Grizzlies is Jack. Grizzlies is that.
Grizzlies. Smart and Dane run.
all of that off. All of that. Free throw. Turn the free throw.
The wings. Jaren Jackson out there with Brandon Clark. And it's Morant